Students, now we will begin with the third sub-question of exercise 4.1. So question 3 is parallelogram MORE, and here some measurements are given to us. OR is 6 cm, RE is 4.5 cm, EO is 7.5 cm. So now let us begin with the sum. So at first we will draw the rough figure. This is a parallelogram, so it will be something like this. MORE. Okay, now let us write down the measurements. OR is 6 cm. So this OR will be 6 cm. RE is 4.5 cm. So RE will be 4.5 cm. And EO, measurement of EO is given. EO is a diagonal here. So we will draw a diagonal. And the measurement of EO is 7.5 centimeter. Okay. Now students, here only two sides are given to us, but we know that this figure is a parallelogram, and in a parallelogram we have studied the properties that the opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So here side MO is opposite to side ER. So MO will be equal to ER, which is this will be 4.5 centimeter, and similarly ME is opposite to OR. So both of these are equal, and since OR is 6 centimeter, we will have ME as 6 centimeter. So our rough figure is ready, and we will now construct the figure. So whenever such figure is given where all the sides are given and a diagonal is given, we always begin with the diagonal. So I will first draw this diagonal over here. Okay, I will draw it like this. So the diagonal is 7.5 centimeter. And the names are EO. So diagonal EO is 7.5 centimeter. Now we will start constructing the sides. So first we will construct EM. The measurement of EM is 6 centimeter. So I will take the measurement 6 centimeter on compass, and I will draw an arc from E. My compass pointer will be on E, and I will construct an arc. Similarly, here students, we know that the length of side OR is also 6 centimeter. So again from this O, I will construct an arc of 6 centimeter. Okay, so I have constructed both the arcs of 6 centimeter. Now the next measurement, the next length is 4.5 centimeter. So we will take the measurement 4.5 centimeter on our compass. So this is 4.5 centimeter. Now segment MO is 4.5 centimeter. So I will keep my compass on point O, and I will draw an arc here. So this is 4.5 centimeter, and similarly I know that ER is also 4.5 centimeter. So I will keep my compass point on point E, and I will draw an arc over here. Okay. So students, here we got a point of intersection. So I will mark this point, but here in this case both these arcs are not yet intersected. So I will increase the size of this arc. That is, it was 6 centimeter. and now I will increase this up. So we got the point of intersection here. Now we will just join the points. This point is our point M. So point M, and measurement of EM is 6 centimeter. MO is 4.5 centimeter. Our next point, this point is point R. Measurement of RO is 6 centimeter and that of ER is 4.5 centimeter. So our parallelogram is ready.